Ethical issues related to genetically modified food. Keep in mind that all plants possess genes, but genetically modified plants are those in which the foreign genes are introduced. Number of ethical issues are related to the genetically modified food. So we have divided these ethical issues into two groups. One is the extrinsic concern and the second one is the intrinsic concern. First, let's talk about the extrinsic concern, that how people or the general public perceive about the genetically modified food, how they view life and how they view nature with the genetically modified food utilization. Now, the ethical issues related with genetically modified food are mainly the disturbance in the natural system. 1990s में ये डिसाइड हुआ कि अगर हम एक ही क्रॉप लार्ज स्केल एरिया पे हम ग्रो करें तो इसे प्लांट डाइवर्सिटी 75% रिड्यूस हो जाती है. लेकिन जब जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड क्रॉप्स आए और एक ही क्रॉप बार बार ग्रो करी तो इसने बहुत सी चीज़ों को ख़राब कर दिया. So the whole natural system get disturbed and the genes can be transferred from the genetically modified plants into the natural plants. So there is a competition between the genetically modified plants and the wild plants. And other ethical issue arises that how genetically modified plants can breed with the natural plants. So loss of biodiversity is not only related to plants, but there is also loss of bees, butterflies and the formation of superweeds and or of superbeets. Now biotechnology is a very expensive field. Lots of funds are required to perform biotechnology experiments. So this is something unfair for the small farmers, especially small farmers of poor countries, that how they can buy very expensive seeds and how they can put research in the natural agriculture processes. So traditional agriculture cannot afford the utilization of biotechnology in this field. Now, to improve the genetically modified food, scientists have inserted antibiotic resistance gene. But what happens, these antibiotic resistant genes can be transferred to bacteria. And if bacteria get resistant, then how we can treat the diseases, especially the infectious diseases. Now keep in mind कि फेट एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंट जीन का जो कि प्लांट में इंसर्ट की गई है उसका रिस्क बहुत स्मॉल है एंड इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू क्वांटिफाई इट. फॉर दैट वी यूज़ मार्कर जीन्स. So gene flow from one species to another and there is health concern related to the field of biotechnology. Now let's come to the intrinsic concern, that people are fear about the genetically engineered food. People have some doubts and there are also some religious concern, because most of the religious people or the thinkers, they believe that biotechnologies are trying to be the co-creators. They want to be the second creators after God. So somehow biotechnologies have disrupted the beauty, integrity, balance of the nature, and they have also harmed the natural life products.